We're gonna start this project by dipping your small brush in water and then in beige paint. Next, we'll create an outline for a circle on the left side of the artwork. We'll create an outline for the neck, reaching all the way up to the upper edge of the artwork. After skipping some space on the right, we'll create 2 more lines. Next, we'll create an outline of a smaller circle and then an arch below it. Next, we'll paint 2 almond-shaped ears. We'll paint outline for 2 legs below large circle. Next, you can switch to a medium-sized brush and dip it in light blue paint. Then we'll outline giraffe. Now you can switch to a large brush and cover the rest of the background in light blue. We'll switch back to a medium-sized brush and we'll outline and then paint in giraffe in beige color. We'll use light yellow paint to outline and paint in round part of giraffe's face. We'll use medium or small brush and beige paint to create a tail. We'll switch to a small brush and brown paint to create spots on top of the giraffe. We'll start by outlining each spot and then painting it in. We'll paint horns by creating 2 straight brown lines and then adding a circle on top of each one. Next, using tip of your brush, we'll create 2 arches to paint nostrils and a smile on the left side of the face. Using brown paint and small brush, we'll outline light yellow part of the face. We'll dip our brush in black paint to create 2 black circles for eyes. Next, you can paint thin black hairs on the tip of the tail. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in pink paint and paint inside of each ear. You can add second layer of brown if paint seems too transparent. You can outline Giraffe's head using thin brush and brown paint. We'll add a brown brush stroke next to pink part of the ear. We'll add another thin brown brush stroke to separate belly and legs. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create 2 white dots in each eye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.